What's up, traders? This is the weekly outlook video for April 7th, 2024. Man, already ended the second quarter of this year. Absolutely crazy. So, yeah, we're going to dive in. We had NFP on Friday. So, specifically on the dollar, I would still say we don't have a real direction yet on some of these dollar pairs. First of all, looking at the data, what we had for NFP, super strong numbers though out of the US, and some big misses for Canadian unemployment up 6%. So does not look good for Canada. Can't say I'm surprised, but we have a big week ahead, huge week actually, especially when it comes to inflation. Inflation it's the deal right now because this year, as you all know, or should know, that this is an election year for the United States. So, man, we're going to be hearing a lot about inflation. It's hitting everybody, not just in the United States. This is a global problem because of super, super reckless and irresponsible monetary policy, decisions, right? So, but let's look at the technicals. Let's dive in here. I particularly like Aussie dollar, right? So now, why do I like Aussie dollar? We seem to be consolidating a little bit, and I made a video for NFP. If you've never seen my charts before, one of the first things you notice is the 200 SMA in my envelope here. I use this to see how big of a trend or whether or not something is trending, right? So like this is a great example of a trending market. So markets generally go from a trend to a consolidation, back into a trend to consolidation, and we've been consolidating and going sideways. So when I see these going right through the middle, it creates a really nice range, right? So like then I can pretty easily trade these highs and lows, and really trade within that range and around that, right? So we took out this key level right here, and then where are we at? Following NFP, broke down, and so I'm gonna be looking for a re-entry early in the week. For a lot of these dollar pairs, this looks very similar, right? So Euro USD, this pattern right here, I'm gonna remove this fib. Breakdown from this triangle consolidation, clear triangle pattern, breakdown, retest, and so now, maybe we get a move higher early in the week, but you see this pretty similar pattern between Euro USD, pound dollar. Now, if we take a look at New Zealand dollar, and so now I throw the SMA envelope on here, this is clearly trending like I'd shown you in the previous, what I like to look for. So now wouldn't be surprised though to see it's kind of push higher, make one last high, take out these, or at least come in there and hit it. And this could really correspond to, you can see here's our inflation moves that are going to be happening on Wednesday. So if we take a look at dollar CAD, right? So this was the move from NFP today, big candle up, big rejection down, and we're pretty much finishing the day right where we started. So never a shocker when it comes to non-farm payrolls. And if we look at UJ, we're trending pretty well here too, right? So, but we weren't able to take out these highs. So can the dollar push through is the theme for this week's trading, right? So like gold continues to go to new all-time highs. There's a lot of turmoil in the world right now, as you're probably well aware, between Israel, Hamas, Russia, Ukraine. It's just a mess. We need a lot less of that. We just need good business and some sensible leaders. So, but because of the uncertainty, gold is just forging out new all-time highs and just going absolutely beast mode. So it'll be interesting to see if this continues, and Yeah, and or if the dollar can, buck up and pull some strength here. So let's crush it this week, everybody. Appreciate y'all. We got some huge announcement for Top One right around the corner. Y'all are going to be pumped about. And let's keep this momentum going. We are super, super grateful that everything's finally getting back to normal. If you watched Matt's video for the weekly newsletter, man, awesome, awesome stuff. So appreciate y'all. Let's get it this week. Peace.